Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we delve into innovative and practical approaches to modern farming. Today, we'll be exploring the potential earnings you can achieve by raising 100-layer chickens. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, understanding the financial prospects of poultry farming is essential. We encourage you to share your own experiences or any questions you might have in the comments below, as your insights help build a stronger community. Let's get started and uncover what you can expect from this venture. Layers chickens are a type of poultry breed specifically raised for their ability to produce large quantities of eggs. These birds are known for their consistent laying patterns and high productivity, making them a preferred choice for egg production. Small and medium-scale farmers favor layers because they require relatively low investment and offer a steady source of income through regular egg sales. Their adaptability to various farming systems and efficient feed-to-egg conversion further contribute to their popularity in the poultry industry. Starting a 100 layers chicken business requires careful financial planning. The initial investment typically includes the cost of purchasing day-old chicks, which can vary depending on breed and supplier. Housing is another significant expense, as a well-ventilated and secure poultry house is essential for the health and productivity of the birds. Equipment such as feeders, drinkers, and nesting boxes must also be acquired. Additionally, a substantial portion of the budget should be allocated for quality feed, which is crucial for optimal egg production and the overall well-being of the flock. Monthly expenses for running a livestock operation can add up quickly. Feed is often the largest recurring cost, as animals require a consistent and nutritious diet. Medication and veterinary care are also essential to maintain herd health and prevent disease outbreaks. Utilities, including water and electricity, support daily operations and animal comfort. Labor costs, whether for hired help or family members, are another significant factor, reflecting the time and effort needed to manage the farm effectively. When raising 100 laying hens, egg production rates can vary depending on several key factors. On average, well-managed commercial breeds can produce between 250 to 300 eggs per hen each year, resulting in a total of 25,000 to 30,000 eggs annually from 100 layers. Productivity is influenced by the breed of the chickens, as some breeds are genetically predisposed to lay more eggs. Nutrition also plays a crucial role. Hens require a balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals to maintain high egg output. Additionally, proper management practices, including clean housing, regular health checks, and stress reduction, are essential for maximizing egg production. Egg prices can fluctuate based on region and season, but as of now, the average market price for a dozen eggs is approximately $3. With 100 laying hens, you can expect around 80 to 90 eggs per day, accounting for natural variations in production. Over a month, this amounts to roughly 2,400 to 2,700 eggs, or about 200 to 225 dozen. At current prices, selling all these eggs could generate a monthly revenue ranging from $600 to $675. This estimate provides a useful benchmark for evaluating the profitability of a small-scale egg production operation. To estimate net profit, it's important to subtract total monthly expenses from the total monthly income. For new farmers, initial profits may be modest or even negative, as startup costs and learning curves can impact early returns. Experienced farmers, on the other hand, often see higher net profits due to established operations and refined practices. Realistically, net profit margins can vary widely depending on crop choice, market conditions, and operational efficiency. Understanding these factors helps set achievable financial expectations for both newcomers and seasoned professionals in agriculture. Beyond selling eggs, there are several ways to boost income from a layers chicken business. Manure produced by the chickens can be collected and sold as organic fertilizer to local farmers and gardeners. Once hens reach the end of their productive laying cycle, they can be sold as spent hens for meat, providing another revenue stream. Additionally, offering farm tours or educational visits can attract schools and community groups, generating extra income while promoting agricultural awareness. By exploring these opportunities, farmers can maximize the profitability of their poultry operations. Improving profitability in poultry farming begins with effective flock management. Ensuring optimal nutrition, maintaining proper hygiene, and monitoring flock health can significantly reduce losses and boost productivity. Strategic marketing, such as targeting local markets or establishing partnerships with retailers, can help secure better prices for your products. Additionally, keeping a close eye on expenses and regularly reviewing input costs allows you to identify areas for savings. By combining these best practices, farmers can enhance efficiency and achieve more sustainable profits. Layers chicken farmers often encounter several challenges, including disease outbreaks, fluctuating feed costs, and maintaining optimal egg production. To address disease risks, implementing strict biosecurity measures and regular vaccination schedules is essential. Managing feed expenses can be achieved by sourcing quality ingredients locally and optimizing feed formulations for efficiency. Ensuring consistent egg production involves providing adequate lighting, maintaining proper housing conditions, and monitoring the health of the flock closely. By adopting these practical strategies, farmers can enhance productivity and sustainability in their operations. Meet Samuel, a small-scale farmer who decided to start raising 100-layer chickens. Within just a few months, he saw a steady supply of fresh eggs, which quickly became popular in his local market. The income from egg sales not only covered his daily expenses, but also allowed him to invest in better feed and expand his poultry shed. Samuel's experience shows how even a modest flock can provide a reliable source of profit and improve livelihoods. In this video, we explored the essential aspects of starting and managing a successful layers chicken business. We discussed selecting the right breed, setting up proper housing, ensuring balanced nutrition, and maintaining good health practices for your flock. With careful planning and dedication, a layers chicken venture can be both rewarding and profitable. If you're looking for a sustainable agricultural opportunity, consider taking the first steps toward raising your own layers chickens. Thank you for watching and spending your time with us today. If you found these insights helpful, consider subscribing for more smart agriculture tips and updates. We value your thoughts and encourage you to leave any questions or comments below. Your feedback helps us create even more useful content for you.